We've shown you how to program a PLU by weight. So now we're gonna do by count. Let's get back into the programming screen. C, ESC, and set, followed by the password, which is 4 zeros, followed by print. We're gonna focus on that first option, which is create and edit PLUs. I'm gonna program a PLU number 2 this time, so let's hit number 2. It will take me to the following screen, which is by weights or by count. We're gonna do by count. This item will be a banana. It's already programmed there, so I'm just gonna leave it as such. Hit print. I don't need a second line for that banana. It's not called anything else but banana, so hit print. Alright, you're on group code, which we don't need, so hit print. UPC code, just remember, keep it the same, or try to keep it the same as your PLU. It'll help with organization for the scale. Pieces, this is where you'll designate how many pieces, or hence by count. We're gonna do 4 pieces of that banana bundle. So I'm gonna hit print. Now on the price, you need to designate the price for 1 piece. 1 banana, I'm gonna sell it for 49 cents. I'm gonna hit print. Shelf life, I don't need, so I'm just gonna leave it at 0. Same with shelf time. Net weight, I don't need either, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit print. Origin, like I mentioned on the by weight video, you can designate where this banana is coming from, and if you look in your manual, you will find the origin codes for different countries. We don't need it for our purposes, so we're gonna skip it, hit print. Our banana is not cooked. We don't need any of the ingredient lines, so we're gonna skip all these. There are 10 ingredient lines, followed by the nutritional facts, which we also don't need, so I'm gonna skip all those lines. Once you're done programming, it'll print out a test label with your name on top for the item, which is banana. And we're all set. So now I want to get out of the programming screen. So ESC, and set will take me back to the main screen. Now I want to go ahead and test that PLU. So let's hit 2, PLU. It'll display the item on your scale, the price per piece, and how many pieces. So let's hit print on this label, and this is what the end result should look like. 4 pieces of bananas for 49 cents for a total of 196.